with the OMG kit, I like to actually invigorate up my chest and stimulate my lymphatic system. I go up my platysma muscle. See if I can get this a little closer. My platysma muscle, only go up on that muscle. It's a superficial muscle. It's where the creepy skin starts, and it goes all the way from between our breast to our jowls. So we want to kind of lift that baby up. We've got our tight muscles over here on the side, and we want to kind of, and our lymph line, we want to clean down that lymph line. Then I switch to the 1-tooth tool, and I go to the meatier areas. This is meatier, thicker, denser tissue. And I do that on my chin. I go up my bone, and I've got 2 teeth of the 1-tooth tool bordering each side of my jawbone. And I go back and forth on the masseter muscle, up and down, looking for tension on the masseter muscle, which is our chewing muscle. It's dense tissue back here. That muscle is really strong. And I switch to the bunny ears. It's probably what I use the most as far as the longest duration in my blasting. I use the bunny ears to pick up weighted skin. So I've got weighted jowls. I'm picking them up. I'm scooping them up to the lymph duct at the bottom of my cheekbone. And then any kind of line, fold, line, wrinkle, crevice, however you want to look at it. Then I take the nugget. I love this mini nugget. I use this in many places all over my whole body, including my feet, my hands substantially. But I'm always going to go and look for tension spots. So I go back to like my masseter, and I kind of open my jaw a little on the inside, and I get in between that opening, and I vector it in different ways, trying to release the tension in there, okay? And you'll find your spot, and you vector it in different ways in order to find how you can release it. Then I pick up the gua sha, and the gua sha, I'm going up in the middle, over to the side and down, up the middle tissue, over to the side and down, up the middle tissue, over the side and down. And then I reach around the back, and I release some tension in the neck, right? So up in the middle, over to the side and down. In the middle, over to the side and down, which is like the tension. I dig into these a little deeper to release the tension and clean the lymph.